Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane. Now here take the arc command, take 3-point arc. Okay, select here, select 1 point here and make one arc. Okay, now here go to vertical constraint, select the center point of arc and select the center. Okay, so this will be vertically aligned. Now go to dimension. Here select this end point and select the center point. Define this distance as 20 mm. Okay, now here you can see this is going very uneven. So I'll take here the horizontal constraint. Select this point and here select this point. Okay, now go to dimension. Define this arc as a radius of 92 mm. Okay, now select this point and select this point, and here we will define the distance 130 mm. Okay, now this will be the final output. Now here take the line command, make one line from this end point here and till here. Escape. Similarly we'll do it other side as well. Go to line command, select here, make one here like this and like this. Now escape. Now here we have a movement. To constrain this movement, this also is having a movement. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center point, select this end point, select this and select this. Now go to dimension. Define this distance as 50 mm. Similarly define this distance as 50 mm. Now escape. Now here take the arc command and again 3-point arc. Here we will find the end point. This green point will be the end point of this line. Okay, select here, similarly select here and make one arc. Go to vertical constraint, select the center, select here. Now go to dimension, define the radius here as 72 mm. Okay, and the distance from this endpoints, this will be 120 mm. Okay, now here we have fully constrained sketch. Now finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and distance will be 75 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now go to home. Now go to part 2. You can see this is a hollow profile from middle. Okay, to make this hollow profile, go to part 4. We'll select here the shell command and here I'll take a thickness of 5 mm. Okay, select this top face, select this face and select this face. Now press OK. Okay, now we have a corner profile. So for the corner profile, we'll click on chamfer. Here I'll take a distance of 25 mm. Okay, now select this edge, rotate, select this edge. Okay, rotate, select this, rotate and select this. Now press OK. Go to part 2. So this profile has been constructed by this. Okay, now we are going to give this fillet command and the hole command. Okay, go to part 4. Here take the fillet command, take here radius of 10 mm. Go to edge selection. Here select all the edges, select this, this, this and this last. Okay, and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take the circle command. We will drag the cursor on this, you will find the center point, make a diameter of 8 mm. Okay, similarly we will do it here, center point, make circle, here also center point, will make a circle, and here center point, make a circle. Now we have all the circles of different dia. Escape from this command, So we'll select here the equal constraint, select the first circle with diameter, press Ctrl, select this and select this. Okay, now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the 4 profiles, here take cut and press OK. Okay, so these are the through cuts. Now go to the part 2, here we have the whole profile here. Go to part 4, for this we have to make one new plane. So go to plane, click on plane and here we'll select the top of this. Okay, and here go to origin and here we'll select the exit plane. Okay, a new plane will be constructed here. When I click on front view, you can see this plane is been constructed tangent to this profile. Okay, go to home, select this plane, go to create sketch, take circle command, from the center point make circle of diameter 30 and finish sketch. Go to extrude, here I'll flip the direction and here I'll take 2 next. So this extrude will be up to this surface and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, take circle command, from the center point make circle of diameter 20. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select this 20 dia and take here cut and press OK. So this will be a through cut now. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So this is the output. Now I'll give the appearance. From here I'll take light red. Okay, here you can see light red color. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.